Did you know that an avocado is actually a berry? Yes, you heard it right. This superfood that we often mistake for a vegetable is technically a berry with a single seed. It's a surprising fact, isn't it? This humble berry, the avocado, is a powerhouse of nutrients and provides a myriad of health benefits. It's particularly beneficial for those over 50, offering everything from heart health to cognitive benefits. Now let's dive into the 8 benefits of avocados, especially for people over 50. First and foremost, avocados pack a nutritional punch. These creamy fruits are a treasure trove of nutrients vital for aging bodies. They are rich in vitamins like K, C, B5, B6, and E, and minerals such as folate and potassium. These nutrients play a significant role in maintaining overall health, especially as we age. The high levels of folate and vitamin K found in avocados are known to support bone health, reducing the risk of osteoporosis, a condition that weakens the bones, making them fragile and more likely to break. This is particularly important for individuals over 50, as bone health can decline with age. Not to mention, the potassium in avocados helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. With age, maintaining a balanced blood pressure becomes increasingly important to avoid health complications. So, avocados are not just delicious, they also support bone health and maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Avocados are not just good for your taste buds, they are also good for your heart and eyes. The creamy green superfood is a rich source of monounsaturated fats, the good fats that your body needs. These fats work wonders for your heart health. They can help lower the levels of bad cholesterol, also known as LDL, and boost the levels of the good cholesterol, known as HDL. This balance of cholesterol is particularly important as we age, with those over 50 being at a higher risk of heart diseases. Now let's talk about the eyes. Avocados are packed with antioxidants, specifically lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients are essential in maintaining eye health and can significantly reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases such as cataracts and macular degeneration. So, eating avocados can help you keep your heart healthy and your vision sharp. Did you ever think that eating avocados could help your digestion and cognition? As we age, our digestive system could use a little extra help. Enter the humble avocado, packed with fiber. This fiber aids digestion, preventing the discomfort of constipation, a common issue in our later years. A healthy gut is a happy gut, and a happy gut contributes to overall well-being. But that's not all this green gem has to offer. The folate and vitamin K in avocados are your brain's best friends, supporting its health in multiple ways. Folate has been linked to lower risks of stroke, an important fact as stroke risk increases with age. Additionally, these nutrients can assist with memory and concentration, 2 cognitive aspects that can be challenging as we grow older. So, the next time you slice into an avocado, remember, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're also giving a boost to your digestion and your brain. So, avocados can help keep your gut happy and your mind sharp. Avocados are also great for your joints, weight, and skin. Let's dive into the details. As we age, our joints can become a source of discomfort due to inflammation. This is where avocados step in. They are rich in anti-inflammatory properties, which can help in reducing the risk of joint inflammation and arthritis. This is especially beneficial for individuals over 50, who are more prone to joint-related issues. So, if you're dealing with aching joints, reaching for an avocado might be a good move. Now, let's talk about weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is a crucial aspect of health for older adults. The healthy fats and fibers in avocados contribute to a feeling of fullness. This can help in controlling your appetite and ultimately in managing your weight. Plus, these healthy fats and fibers are not only good for weight management but also for heart health. It's a double win. Finally, on to the skin. As we get older, our skin tends to become drier and more prone to damage. But don't worry, avocados have got you covered. The vitamins and antioxidants in avocados are great for the skin. They can help in protecting the skin from UV damage, which can cause premature aging. Moreover, the monounsaturated fats in avocados help in maintaining skin hydration. So regular consumption of avocados can help keep your skin glowing and youthful. In short, avocados are not just delicious, they're a powerhouse of nutrients that can support various aspects of health. From joint health to weight management to skin vitality, avocados have a lot to offer. So, with avocados in your diet, you can manage your weight, keep your joints healthy, and keep your skin glowing. So, to sum it up, avocados are a true superfood, especially for those over 50. This humble green fruit, or rather berry, is a nutrient powerhouse, brimming with vitamins like K, C, B5, B6, and E, and minerals such as folate and potassium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health, supporting bone health, and managing healthy blood pressure levels. But the benefits of avocados don't stop there. They're also packed with monounsaturated fats that boost heart health, reducing levels of bad cholesterol while increasing the good. This is key for those over 50, as heart health becomes increasingly important with age. Then there's the wonder of lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that enhance eye health, helping to lower the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. The fiber in avocados, on the other hand, aids digestion and wards off constipation, while the folate and vitamin K contribute to brain health, aiding memory and concentration, and reducing the risk of stroke. Avocados also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of joint inflammation and arthritis. Plus, the healthy fats and fibers contribute to a feeling of fullness, assisting with weight management. Last but not least, avocados are a boon for the skin. The vitamins and antioxidants protect the skin from UV damage, and the monounsaturated fats help in maintaining skin hydration, which is essential as the skin tends to become drier with age. So, the next time you enjoy an avocado, remember all the amazing benefits it's providing for your body. And who knew? It's actually a berry.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on natural solutions and cures.